By staying informed and proactive, you can build a resilient financial future that thrives, no matter what changes come your way. As AI and automation reshape industries, the way we earn, save, and invest is changing too. First, consider diversifying your income streams. Relying solely on a traditional job might not be enough in the face of automation. Explore freelance opportunities, side hustles, or passive income sources like real estate or dividend stocks. Next, invest in your skills. Upskilling or reskilling can make you more adaptable and valuable in the job market. Embrace technology by learning about financial tools and apps that can help you manage your money more efficiently. Lastly, keep an eye on emerging trends in the financial world, such as cryptocurrency and sustainable investing. Are you prepared for the financial earthquake set to hit in 2026? AI and automation aren't merely taking jobs. They're fundamentally reshaping the landscape of wealth. If your finances aren't ready for this seismic shift, you risk being left in the dust. But don't worry. This video isn't about instilling fear. It's about equipping you with a solid blueprint for success. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll walk away with actionable strategies to safeguard and enhance your wealth in this rapidly evolving AI-driven world. Welcome back, everyone. I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. As your friendly money coach from Money Minutes, my mission is to empower you on your financial journey. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of finance or you're ready to take your skills to the next level, I've got something valuable for you. Today, we're diving into the fascinating ways AI is reshaping our financial landscape, impacting everything from job markets to investment opportunities. But don't worry, we won't just be talking theory. I'll share practical, actionable strategies that you can implement right away to build your wealth, invest wisely, and create streams of passive income. So, grab a notebook and let's get started on this exciting journey together. Quick question: what industry are you in? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear, and maybe give personalized tips. By 2030, experts predict that AI could displace up to 800 million jobs worldwide, according to reports from McKinsey. But here's the flip side. It's also creating new opportunities. Think about it. Industries like manufacturing and routine office work are most vulnerable to automation. If you're in data entry or basic customer service, AI tools like chatbots are already stepping in. On the other hand, fields like healthcare, creative tech, and AI ethics are exploding. For example, take someone like Sarah, a graphic designer I know. She was worried about AI art generators like Dolly replacing her, but instead she learned to use them to speed up her workflow. Now she's charging more for custom designs and has doubled her income. Now, let's de-risk your income in this automation age. The key? Building multiple income streams. It's non-negotiable for financial resilience in 2026 and beyond. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Start with your main job, then add side hustles that AI can't touch easily. Reskilling is huge here. Focus on high-demand skills like data analysis, coding in Python, or even prompt engineering for AI tools. These are things robots enhance, but don't replace. Platforms like Coursera or Udemy offer free or cheap courses. I recommend starting with Google's Data Analytics Certificate. It's beginner-friendly and can boost your salary by 20 to 30%. Then there's AI-assisted entrepreneurship. Individuals are using tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm business ideas, write marketing copy, or even automate customer service. Take Mike, a teacher who started a side gig tutoring online. He uses AI to create personalized lesson plans, scaling his business to earn an extra $1,000 a month without quitting his day job. That's passive income in action. Set it up once, and it grows. Practical tip: aim for 3 income streams. 1 active, your job, 1 semi-passive, like rental income or dividends, and 1 AI-boosted side hustle. This way, if automation hits one area, you're covered. Let me share a quick story that illustrates the power of adaptability in today's fast-paced world. I once coached a client who found himself in a tough spot after losing his factory job to automation and robots. Instead of succumbing to panic or despair, he took a proactive approach. He dove into reskilling, focusing on e-commerce and leveraging AI for inventory management. Fast forward to today, and he's successfully running a dropshipping store that pulls in an impressive $5,000 monthly. His journey is a testament to the fact that with the right mindset and willingness to learn, you too can pivot and thrive in this evolving landscape. As we navigate the complexities of a volatile financial landscape, it's clear that traditional investment strategies are no longer sufficient. Investors must broaden their horizons beyond conventional stocks and bonds. Enter AI-driven investment platforms like Robinhood's AI Advisor and Acorn's Automated Investing. These innovative tools leverage sophisticated algorithms to optimize returns while minimizing the effort required from users. A strategic approach involves investing in the picks and shovels of the AI revolution. Companies like Amazon Web Services, which provides essential cloud computing infrastructure, and TSMC, a leader in chip manufacturing, may not be the most glamorous investments, but they are foundational to the tech ecosystem. Historically, these companies have demonstrated consistent annual growth rates of 15 to 20%, making them reliable choices for long-term investors. Diversification must also evolve. Instead of merely spreading investments across various stocks, consider incorporating AI-themed ETFs, such as RKK or BOTZ, which focus on sectors like robotics and automation. Additionally, adding a small allocation to cryptocurrencies can provide a high-risk, high-reward potential. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, serves as a hedge against inflation. However, it's crucial to remember the golden rule of investing. Only invest what you can afford to lose. A pertinent example is the 2020 shift to remote work, during which investors in Zoom and cloud technology reaped substantial rewards. Looking ahead, sectors like AI health tech and autonomous vehicles could be the next big opportunities by 2026. For those just starting, consider setting aside a modest $100 a month into an index fund that tracks AI companies. This disciplined approach can pave the way for significant growth in your investment portfolio over time. Hey everyone, if you're tuning in, let's get interactive. If you're already diving into the world of AI stocks, give me a thumbs up. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing what your very first investment was. Was it a big tech giant or a promising startup? Let's spark a conversation and learn from each other's experiences in this exciting market. Welcome to the future of personal finance. In this section, we'll explore how to build your very own AI-powered financial toolkit. Imagine having a personal finance assistant that works tirelessly to help you manage your money more effectively. Start by leveraging budgeting apps like Mint or You Need a Budget, YNAB. These intelligent tools use AI to meticulously track your spending habits and suggest areas where you can cut back, potentially saving you anywhere from $200 to $500 each month. Next, let's talk about automated savings. Enter Digit, a smart app that analyzes your spending patterns and automatically sets aside small amounts of money without you even noticing. It's like having a savings buddy who knows just how much you can spare. When it comes to reducing debt, tools like Undebt, it can help you create AI-optimized payoff plans that prioritize your debts in the most efficient way possible. However, while these tools are incredibly powerful, it's essential to be mindful of the ethics surrounding AI. These applications utilize your personal data, so it's crucial to choose ones that prioritize security, such as those offering two-factor authentication. Transform your financial planning from a once-a-year task into an ongoing process. With AI robo-advisors like Betterment, you can adjust your investment portfolio in real time, responding to market changes as they happen. And here's a pro tip. Always integrate AI ethically. Review the suggestions provided by these tools yourself. Remember, they are just that. Tools to assist you, not replacements for your own judgment. Embrace the future of finance with these AI tools and watch your financial health flourish. Embrace this future-proof mindset, and you will not only survive, but thrive in the face of change. This begins with cultivating adaptability, a growth mindset that views change not as a threat, but as an opportunity for growth and innovation. Embrace resources like atomic habits to instill disciplined financial habits that can transform your approach to wealth building. Moreover, building a resilient community is essential. Engage with finance forums on platforms like Reddit or LinkedIn groups that focus on AI and wealth management. Sharing knowledge and experiences within these networks can open doors to job opportunities and valuable investment tips that you might not encounter otherwise. Redefining success is another critical aspect of this mindset. It's essential to understand that true success extends beyond just accumulating net worth. It encompasses the freedom to live life on your own terms. Imagine a scenario where your passive income not only covers your lifestyle, but also allows you to focus on what truly matters to you. And there you have it, the essential blueprint to future-proof your finances against the rise of AI and automation. It's time to take action. Start with just one step. Assess your current skills or consider opening an AI investment account. If you found this information valuable, please like this video and share your biggest takeaway in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Money Minutes for more insights on wealth building, effective investing strategies, and cultivating a strong money mindset. Explore our channel for other engaging videos like 6 underrated side gigs or major financial turning points in your 20s. Thank you for watching. Together, we can build a prosperous future. And if you want weekly finance tips, real talk on building wealth, smart investing strategies, and the money mindset shifts that actually move the needle, hit that like and subscribe button right now. Also turn on the bell notification so you never miss an upload.